Yellow-billed hornbills up on the TV. Lovely sound. Lots of them. Yeah. They will target these steep banks. Yeah. Who I think the closest here is that area close to Kamativi on the eastern edge of the park. That's where you've got slopes where they can dig in to make nests. Bushman's perfume, croton. If you smell it, you get that lavender smell. Pluck up the flower and crush it. Get that lavender smell. This is Croton gratissimus. Now, you see that flaky substance? When the plant is dry, the Bushmen would use this to adorn their faces, especially the young girls. And they would rub this on their bodies. They smell nice. But the substance there you see on the stem, that has been put by ants.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is all ant activity. They probably have eggs inside there.
Too much traveling.
Going up there. The intention was probably to eat the dead wood, and they covered the area that they wanted to feed on.
Bushman's perfume.
Bushman's perfume. Croton gratissimus.
It smells really nice.
Yeah.
And you don't have to pay $700 for it.
They raise their back ends and they squirt formic acid. Actually quite painful on the body.
On the skin?
Yeah.
En Afrikaans noemen ze oogpiste.
Alright.
Pisses in your eyes.
Yeah, because then you get blisters.
Yeah.
They hit you in the ankles, around the knees and ankles. Because they just raise the back section like this and they squirt.
Doesn't that have like a parasite in the abdomen?
Exactly, yeah.
Ah.
A nasty creature. This is just actually the droppings of an animal here. Could be a hyena with a lot of skin. And now the beetles are being eaten. A dung beetle.
Baby dung beetles. Yeah, lots of fur, eh?
Yes. I think they've dealt with all the skin.
Let's figure that out. Thank you, Albert.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Period was short.
Great.
Hopefully next time we can.
Yeah. Always good.
Yeah, hopefully we can do a long one next time.